Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and finding an affordable mascara that actually works well and is clean and looks good has been a struggle for me. I have such sensitive eyes. There's so many mascaras that I just can't wear. So I was pleasantly surprised when I tried this one that not only did it not irritate my eyes, it did not leave me with raccoon eyes. Nothing went underneath the eye. I can wear this all day long. It does not flake off. It does not create clumps. It nicely defines my lashes. There's nice clean ingredients in this formula, and it is not tested on animals. So that's a big thing with me. I love using products that I know are Leaping Bunny certified, which is a really high standard of not testing on animals. I especially love the brown of this formula. It is a beautiful, rich brown color. It really just enhances my eyes versus being super harsh like black. So I love that this color is not a murky brown. It is just a beautiful, rich brown. It just keeps my lashes nice and separated and defined. My lashes look very natural. They look like they're naturally just long and beautiful and colored. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a ton of mascara that I just pasted on. So I really love this mascara, and I think you will too. And that is my point of view.